3D Caffenu gives you a complete all-round cleaning system for your Nespresso machine. The Descaler works on the back end of your machine's internals, removing harmful calcium, limescale and mineral buildup. The Caffenu cleaning capsule works on the front parts, such as the brewing chamber. It releases a unique foaming agent that gets rid of old coffee oils, residues and bacteria in just 2 minutes. Descaling and cleaning your machine regularly can increase the lifespan and function of your machine. Only a clean machine makes the perfect coffee.